Okay, so let's have a look at this household budget here on the left-hand side. So we've got information for opening cash for the end of our budget. We've got information for our planned income that goes into our planned income in the budget section. And we've got information for our planned expenditure that goes into your planned expenditure in your budget question, which is made up of fixed expenditure. It's made up of irregular expenditure, and it's also made up of discretionary expenditure. So I'm going to divide this up into 3 videos. The first video is going to look at the planned expenditure. That's this video. Second video is going to look at your planned expenditure. Your first video is going to look at your planned income. Second video is going to look at your planned expenditure. And your third video then is going to look at how to calculate the net cash, your opening cash, and your closing cash. So let's start off with the planned income. But first, before you do the planned income, see this opening cash in hand is 500. We're going to put that straight away down here for opening cash for the first month, which is April, and it's going to be 500. So 500 is going to be opening cash, and we're also going to put the 500 into the total column just to put it in so it's there, so we're not going to get mixed up with it later on. So that's the first thing we're going to do. 500 for your opening cash for the first month and 500 in your total. Then let's have a look. So Adam Gallagher earns 1,600 net per month. So each month, Adam is going to earn 1,600. So we're just going to put that in for each one of his months. 1,600 for April, May and June. And we're going to put it by Adam Gallagher's salary. And then we're going to add these 3 up. So in your calculator, you're going to put 1,600 plus 1,600 plus 1,600. And that's going to give you 4,800. So for those 3 months, Adam Gallagher is going to earn 4,800. Alice then. So Alice expects to earn 1,700 net per month. So every month she's going to earn 1,700 and is due a pay rise of 150 per month from the 1st of May. So from the 1st of May, she's going to get 1,850. So it's going to be 1,700 plus 150 will give you 1,850, and that's going to start from May. So in April, she's going to earn 1,700, and in May then she's going to get an increase. So that increase is going to be 1,700 plus 150. So increase is going to be 1,850. And that's going to be for each of the months. So that's going to be for next month 1,850 because it's a pay rise. So for May it's going to be 1,850. For June it's going to be 1,850. And then we're going to add these 3 up. So in your calculator you're going to put 1,700 plus 1,850 plus 1,850. So she's going to earn 5,400 for those 3 months. And then they're going to get child benefit of 420 per month. So for April, it's going to be 420. For May, 420. June, 420. And then your total then, you're going to add up 420 for April, plus 420 for May, plus 420 for June. So for child benefit per month, you're going to get 1,260. Now what we have to do next then is we have to find the total income for April, total income for May, total income from June, and then the total income for the 3 months. So what we need to do is we're going to work in the column. So we're going to look at our April column. So we're going to add these 3 figures up for April and put it in here. We're going to add these 3 figures up for May and put it in here. We're going to add these 3 figures up for June, put it in here. And we're going to add these 3 figures up for the total and put it in here. So in your calculator, you're going to put 1,600 plus 1,700 plus 420. And that's going to give you 3,720 for the income for April. From May, 1,600, 1,850 plus 420. So that's going to give us 3,870 for May. Then 1,600 plus 1,850 plus 420. So that's going to give us 3,870 for June and then we're going to add the total. So 4,800 plus 5,400 plus 1,260. That's going to give us 11,460. Now you can also add going across as well to check to make sure you're correct. So it's going to be 3,720 plus 3,870 plus 3,870. And we get 11,460. So that's the same. That's your planned income done. So what did we do? We took the information that was given to us in the question and we put it into our budget. So if it says per month, it goes into each of the months. So Adam Gallagher is 1,600, 1,600 for each month. And then we added the three of them up going across to get the total. For Alice then, she got an increase in May of 150. So we added 150 onto 1,700 to give us 1,850. That's the increase for May and June. And she gets 1,700 for April. So we added those three up to get the total. And then the child benefit is 420 for each month. So just put them in for April, May, and June, and we added them up going across. And then to get the total income for each month, we added all the figures in the column for each one of the months to get the total. And we also put in the opening cash in at the very start. So the opening cash down here at the end, opening cash for the start of the month, and then opening cash then for the total. And that's how you start off the budget, and that's your planned income complete.